Hello, today I'm gonna introduce my blog, and this is a about me page, and my name is Boyan Yin. This is my second year in Ohio State. I learned a lot of study skills and many fields which I didn't know before. And today I'm gonna talk about hip hop music evolution. As you can see, here's an introduction of evolution of hip hop, and in this page, I would like to introduce some history of hip hop and its evolution from minority people to accept to this music to mainstream American hip hop music. So, to all intents and purposes, this would be a legend, and the hip-hop evolution is also the evolution of affirmative action. Next, I'm going to explain it. And this video about hip-hop is original from the Bronx, New York to nowadays. And this is the news, like the Drake celebrates the God's plan became his longest running #1 single, and in April 9th, Drake slaps the news of single continued to success and sharing two images from the track video shot. And as we know, Drake drops $1 million on the God's Did in God's Plan video, and here's a video, and here's a book about the hip-hop evolution, Can't Stop, Won't Stop, The History of Hip-Hop Generation, from Jeff Chan. And this book is published on 2005, and Jeff Chan trans hip-hop's yearly roots and documents the procession of the culture through many changes. And here's the 8 Mile movie. I think everyone maybe knows that this movie is about the Eminem life, the begin to the flourish. And 8 Mile is a 2002 American hip hop movie directed by Kristen Hansen. The film is based loosely on Eminem's actual upbringing and follows the white rapper B-Rabbit and his attempt to launch a career in general dominated by African Americans. The title is derived from 8 Miles Road, the highway between the predominantly black city of Detroit and Wayne County and the predominant white Auckland City. It was filmed mostly on the location, and then I'm gonna talk about the study skill which I learned in the course. First, this technology in online study, and as you can see, there's several ways to get success in online study. The common learning management system and common connect, which we can take the online course, and the bucket box and u.osu, which is what I'm talking about right now. And then go to useful study skills. Here, as you can see, the time management and note taking, reading, test preparation. These are 4 ways to study, and here's a ways to create a portfolio. That's all. That's my introduction about my blog. Thank you.